I think I'm gonna have to like flat iron my natural hair in a little because it's like it's not jiving for me. What up, you guys? So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial or watch me do my hair kind of sort of video. So I have these microlink. I've done microlink so long. I have these taping extensions in, and I really wanted to curl them because I have a crazy couple of weeks coming up, and I figured curling them would be the best because then I can just like tape this part up, or not tape it but like pin it up, or I could just leave it all down. So basically in this video I just curled my hair. I used my Bellami 12-in-1 I think. I'm not sure what wand size it was, but I will put that down in the description box because I forgot to tell y'all in the video too. But anyways, if you want to get your hair to look like this, then definitely keep watching, and if you've not subscribed, you know, hit that little button down there and stay tuned and check out some other videos from me at the end of this one. What's up, you guys? Okay, so I'm gonna try. I probably should wear a different color hoodie, but this is the only one I have right now that I could get my hands on. Anyways, so I'm curling my hair, and I started to curl it, and then I think I need to go smaller actually. I started curling it, and then I realized that I wasn't recording, so I'm turning y'all on. But like I said, I'm just realizing I probably need to go smaller with my pieces so that these curls, because I want them to be really defined so that they'll last longer, so that I don't have to do my hair this week. Because my plan is, if I don't have to, if my hair stays curled, I can just kind of like throw it any kind of way and I should be okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna do these little curls. The curling iron I'm using is the Bellami one. It's their like 12-in-1 set. I have had this for years, and I use it not pretty regularly just because I don't curl my hair regularly, but whenever I do curl my hair I use it. So I'm gonna do a couple like a different way so that it doesn't all like fall the same way. But yeah, so we've got like a really crazy week coming up at work, so I want to go ahead and curl my hair now so that this week I kind of can just wake up and go, so I can get to work on time and I'm not like rushing out the door, rushing. But yeah, so I'm doing, like I said, pretty small pieces. If you can see how thin that is, like pretty small. And these I actually had pre-curled already, so I'm just going in and re-curling them so that they're smaller and more defined. I'm probably gonna like regret this once I get halfway up my head. I'm just like, yeah, no. But anyways, I'm gonna continue and I'm gonna fast forward through this so that you guys can see it, but you don't have to listen to me talk the whole time. And also so that I can listen to some music, because I got a lot of hair to do. Okay, she has a lot of hair on her hair right now. But yeah, these are my taping extensions. I have probably 80 pieces installed, which probably sounds like a lot, but I have really thick hair and I went really long. Like I went 18 inches, so it is a lot of hair, but I don't know, it's just, it's not, it is but it's not, you know. Well, you know. Alright, I don't know where this little piece came from, but I'm gonna go ahead and curl it because it's getting on my nerves. She keep coming out every time I grab a piece. I'm sorry if y'all can hear the our like blower on the heater is going, and my nephew has been waking up here recently with night terrors. Well, not night terrors, he's just been like waking up crying, and he'll go right back to sleep, but he like He has to be in a specific spot. Like, he won't sleep in his bed or anybody else's bed. It's either, if he can't sleep in my bed, he wants to lay on the couch, and he wants you to lay on the couch with him. So it's kind of just like, listen, Miles, I love you, sweetheart, but can't you lay on my bed while I'm doing something else? Because I got other things I need to get done, baby.